Hello students, welcome to new video lecture on multiple choice questions. In this lecture, I am going to discuss multiple choice questions for Boolean algebra and logic gates. Now, in digital electronics, we have basic logic gates. That is OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate. Symbol for OR gate is like this. These are inputs and this is output Y, A, B, and truth table is like this: A, B, and Y. So when both are 0, output is 0, 0, 1, output is 1, 1, 0, output is 1, 1, 1, output is 1. This is OR gate. Now if we go to AND gate, its symbol is like this: A, B, and Y. Y is equal to here A into B, here A plus B. So here truth table is like this: A, B, and Y. When we have 0, 0, output is 0, 0, 1, output is 0, 1, 0, output is 0, and 1, 1, output is 1. And NOT gate is like this. This is symbol for NOT gate. So when we have output here Y, it is A bar, complement of it. So if A is 1, Y is 0. If A is 0, Y is 1, like this. And then we have NOR gate, NAND gate, then XOR gate, XNOR gate. All these are derived gates from these three basic gates. So we will see multiple choice questions on this also. Now let us go to first multiple choice question. 1's complement of 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 each. Now 1's complement is another method which can use to represent binary number in sign binary number form. To get 1's complement of binary number, simply invert the given number. Means here, suppose we take these bits, apply NOT gate. So here 1 0 1 1 0 0 1, this is the number, binary number. Now 1's complement means we have to apply NOT gate on each. So what happens here? If we apply NOT gate on this LSB, it is 0 1 zeros to 1, zeros to 1, 1s to 0, 1s to 0, and zeros to 1. So we get here 1 0 0 1 1 0. So each bit is inverted. So 1 0 0, and here we have 1. So here it is 0. So 0 1 0 0 1 1 0. So here this is not correct. This is also not correct. This one is correct. This is not correct. So answer is C. Now 2's complement of 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 each. Now to get 2's complement, to get 2's complement, of binary number, first find one's complement, and then plus 1 in LSB. So here number is 1 0 1 1 0 1 1. Now here one's complement, so we have to invert this. So if we invert this, 1 to 0, 1 to 0, 0s to 1, 1s to 0, 1s to 0, 0s to 1, 1s to 0. So this is 1's complement. Now to find 2's complement, just add plus 1 in LSB. So we get here 0 plus 1 is 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. So this is the 2's complement. So 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. So here this last one is correct out of these 4. Now plus 15 in decimal format, we have to write in complement format. Plus 10 plus 15 decimal in one complement for each. Now here if we take number 15, its binary number is 1 1 1 1. So here if we want sign binary, we will take 5-bit register. 5-bit register. So here, so we will take 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now this bit, it is used for sign, and this bit, here we have LSB and here MSB. So number is 1 1 1 1, and if we write here 0, it becomes plus 15. So here this bit is reserved for sign. Now one's complement, then we have to take complement of this. So how can we take complement? So complement, simply we have to invert this. Plus 1. So here we get now it is same as that of one's complement. If it is negative, then we have to take invert that. So it is 0 1 1 1 2. This is plus 15. Now next one, minus 8 decimal in one's complement for each. So if we take here 8, we know its binary number. Its binary number is 1 0 0 0. Now we will use 5-bit register. 5-bit register. So here 5-bit register, 1 2 3 4 5. So we have here number 1 0 0 0, and here sign 0 is for plus. So this is plus 8. Now we have to take minus. So one's complement. So if we take its one's complement, then we get here So 1's complement of 0, that is 1, 1's complement of 0, that is 1, 1, 0 and 1. So this is sign. So sign means here plus 1, so negative. So this number represents minus 8 in 1's complement form. In 1's complement form. Now plus 5, 10 each. 10 each in 2's complement form each. So 5 we know it is 0, 1, 0, 1. 0, 1, 0, 1. So if we take here suppose 5-bit register, so here 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. So it is plus 5. So you can take here 0, 1, 0, 1. So I have taken here 4-bit register. Here you can take 4-bit register because only 1, 0, 1 it is required. So 4-bit. So it is 0, 1, 0, 1. Means here we have taken simply 4-bit register. This is for sign, and 1, 2, 3. This is for number and sign here. So 0, 1, 0, 1. This is this one. Now minus 3 decimal in 2's complement form is. Again here we know binary 3 is. Now binary 3 is 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1. Now you can take 4-bit 0, 1, 1. Now we will use 5-bit register. So 5-bit register. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now number is here 0, 0, 1, 1 and here 0. This is sign. Now this is plus 3. Then first we will find 1's complement. 1's complement. Now again 5-bit register. So here this 1, 2, 3, 4. Now complement 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1 and 0, 1. So sign here. Now here it is 1, so it is negative number. So this represents minus 3 in 1's complement. Now we have to find 2's complement. 2's complement. So 2's complement. So again here this one. So we have to add plus 1 in this one. Means we have to add plus 1 here. So plus 1 you will get 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So here 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. So here this is 2's complement of minus 3. So this one is correct answer. Now next one, the sign magnitude representation of decimal minus 108 is minus 108. Now first we will find binary of 108. So 108 divided by 2, division is 56, remainder is 0. Now 56 by 2, division is 23, 27. Remainder is here 54. 54 to so it is 52. I will take again. So here 108 by 2. Now division is 54, remainder is 0. Now 54 by 2, it is 27, remainder is 0. Now 27 by 2, it is 13, remainder is 1. Now 13 by 2, it is 6, remainder is 1. And now 6 by 2, division is 3, remainder is 0. Now 3 by 2, division is 1, remainder is 1. And then 1 by 2, division is 0, remainder is 1. And then we go from this to this. So 108 in binary format, it is 1 1 0 1 1 0 0. So here now 7 bits. So we can represent this number in 8-bit format. So 8 bit. So we can take here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Now here out of 8 bits, this is 0th bit, first bit, second bit, third, fourth, fifth, 6 and 7. This bit is reserved for sign. So here number is stored like this: 1 1 0 1 1 0 0. And when we want number to be negative number, then here 1 is stored for negative sign. So here 8-bit binary number, it is 11101100. So out of this is not correct, this is not correct, this last one is not correct, this is correct, this is correct. Now here the sign magnitude representation of plus 15 is, now we know 15, that is 1111. So we can use 5-bit register. When we use 5-bit register, 1 2 3 4 5, so number is stored as 1 1 1 1, and here we have 0. So 0 1 1 1 1. So this one is correct. This is plus 5. This is plus 5. Now 8-bit sign number. So this is sign number 01000100 represents corresponding decimal number. So it is 8-bit now. So we can here 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. So I can take here 8-bit. Now out of that 8 bits, this bit is reserved for sign, and there is 0, so it is positive, and only these 7 bits they store the number. Now we will start from this. So here 0 into 2 raised to 0 plus, then we will take this one, 0 into 2 raised to 1 plus, then we will take this one, 1 into 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2 for this, then for this plus 0 into 2 raised to 3 for this. Now for this plus 0 into 2 raised to 4 8 minute, for this one, for this one, for this one, for this one, for this one. Now for this plus 0 into 2 raised to 5 plus now for this 1 into 2 raised to 6. So here 1 into 2 raised to 6, 2 raised to 6, it is 64 plus this one 4. All other are 0. So this is 68 plus 68 plus 68 plus 68. So this first one is correct. First one is correct. Now next one, 4-bit signed number 1011 represents. So here if we take a 4-bit number and it is signed one, so here 4 bits, this is bit reserved for sign and this is for number. So here number is given 1011. So this gives you that number is negative. Now 0. So for this 1 into 2 raised to 0 plus for this 1 into 2 raised to 1 plus for this 0 into 2 raised to 2. So it is 0 plus 2 plus 1. So it is 3, and since here we have minus, so this is minus 3. So here this one is correct. This one is correct. NOR gate is OR gate followed by. So here NOR gate, symbol for NOR gate is like this. This is NOR gate, A, B and Y. Generally NOR gate is made like this. So this is OR gate plus NOT gate. So this is OR gate, this is NOT gate. So OR gate is followed by NOT gate. Now next one, the NAND gate is followed, the NAND gate is AND followed by NOT here again. So here this is AND gate, AND gate, then we have here NOT gate, this gives you NAND gate. So the NAND gate is AND gate followed by NOT gate. NOT gate. Now which of the following symbol of XOR gate? Now if we see this first one, this is symbol for NAND gate. This second one is symbol for NOR gate. This is for XOR gate and this is for XNOR gate. So we have 4 symbols. We have to choose for XOR gate. So this third one is correct. Now the universal gate is, universal gate means you can design digital circuit using that gate only. So out of all gates, NAND gate is called universal gate. So NAND gate. NAND gate is universal gate. Now next one, the exclusive OR or XOR logic gates can be constructed from dash 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 logic gates. Now if we see XOR gate, XOR, we have seen symbol for XOR gate. Symbol is like this. Y, A, B, and here its truth table is like this. XOR. So A, B, Y. When 0, 0, output is 0. When 0, 1, output is 1. 1, 0, output is 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, output is 0. So this is XOR gate. Now it is constructed like this. So suppose we have here A and B, these are two inputs. Then we take here NAND gate. Here we use NOT gate. Then we use another NAND gate. Here like this, and then we use OR gate, and here it is Y. So if we take this first NAND gate and second NAND gate, now if we see here, we have A here, B here. So here it is B bar, here it is A bar, here it is B. So we get here A B bar and here A bar B. So Y is equal to A B bar plus A bar B. And this is, so here AND gate, OR gate and NOT gates are used in the XOR logic gate. Now three basic gates in an electric circuits are, just I have told, AND, OR, NOT. These are three basic gates: NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate. They are derived gates and they are derived using basic three gates: AND, OR and NOT. Now next one, Boolean algebra. Now see here, if we see Boolean algebra, now 0, 1, these are two inputs, high and low, low and high. So here we have some AND laws. AND laws. What are AND laws? If we take 0 into 0, that is 0, 0 into 1, that is 0, 1 into 0, that is 0, and 1 into 1 is, 1. So this is AND gate. So suppose one is A, another is 0, we get 0. 0 A, we get 0. Then A dot A is equal to A. A dot 1 is equal to A, and if we take A into its complement, it is 0. So these are some laws. We have OR laws. And what are that OR laws? 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1. So suppose we take A plus 1, it gives you 1. If A is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. If A is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1. Now you can have A plus 0, that is A plus A, that is A, and A plus A bar, it is equal to 1. Means suppose A is 1, A bar is 0, so 1 plus 0. If A is 0, A bar is 1, so 0 plus 1 is 1. So these are some OR laws. And we have here NOT laws. 0 bar is equal to 1 and 1 bar is equal to 0. So A bar bar will be equal to A. So these are some laws. So here A plus 1. So we have seen here A plus 1 is 1. So this first one is correct. Now according to Boolean law, A plus A bar A plus A bar, this one, this is also 1. So this first one is correct. Now De Morgan's first theorem is, so if we take first theorem, it is complement of product is equal to sum of complements. So here A, B we take two inputs, then complement of product is equal to sum of complements. This is first law. This is first law. So out of these, this one is not correct, this is not correct, this is not correct, this one is correct. De Morgan's second law. Now De Morgan's second law states that complement of sum is equal to product of complements. So here A plus B sum and then its complement, it is equal to A bar into B bar. So here A plus B bar is equal to A bar into B bar. This is De Morgan's second theorem. Now next one, using Boolean algebra, simplify A in bracket A plus B is equal to. Now if we take A into A plus B is equal to A into A plus AB. Now we know A into A, it is A plus AB. Now I can take A common, 1 plus B. So 1 plus B. Now what is 1 plus B? 1 plus B is 1 plus B is 1 according to our Boolean algebra. Here A plus 1 or 1 plus A is equal to 1. So here 1 plus and A into A is A. So here it is A. So this last one is correct. Last one is correct. Now next one, which of the following Boolean expression is not correct? Now here A plus 1 is equal to 1, A plus A bar is equal to 1, A into A is equal to A, and A into A bar is 0. So A plus 1 must be equal to 1. So A plus 1 is equal to A is not true. Now next one, using Boolean algebra, simplify AB bar plus A bar plus AB. So we have here Y is equal to AB bar plus A bar plus AB. Now we can use De Morgan's theorem. So this first one, AB bar, this gives you A bar plus B bar plus A bar plus AB plus AB. Now I can write this as A bar plus A bar plus B bar plus AB. Now A bar plus A bar, it is A bar plus B bar plus AB, B bar plus AB. Now you can write this as, now here we have one identity, that is AB plus B bar. If we prove logically, it comes out to be A plus B bar. So you can use truth table, means here you can take A, B, then B bar. Here you can take 0, 1, and I can take 0, 0 here. Then B bar is what? 1, 1. Then AB plus B bar. So AB, A into B is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Now 1 plus 0 plus 1. So 1 plus 0, that is 1. 1 into 0. Sorry, 1 into 0, that is 0, plus 1, that is 1. Now you can have here 0, 1 and 1, 1. Then B bar is 0, 0, and here, so you will get 0 into 1, that is 0, plus 0, that is 0. Now 1 into 1, that is 1 plus 0, that is 1. So if we see, and if we find for A plus B bar, 0 plus 1, that is 1. 1 plus 1, that is 1. Now 0 plus 0, that is 0. 1 plus 0, it is 0. So here A plus B bar. So AB plus B bar will be equal to A plus B bar. So AB plus B bar will be equal to, so we'll get A bar plus A plus B bar. Now A bar plus A, that is 1. 1 plus B bar, that is also 1. So this is 1. This is 1. This is 1. Now next one, using Boolean algebra, simplify. So we have y is equal to AB plus A, B plus C plus B, B plus C. Now I can write this as AB plus AB plus AC plus BB plus BC. Now if we take AB plus AB, this gives you AB. This gives you AB plus AC plus B into B, that is B, plus BC. Now I can write this as AB plus AC plus B into 1 plus C. You can take B common. So it is equal to AB plus AC plus B, because 1 plus C will be equal to 1. Now from these two, A plus 1, it is into B plus AC. Now A plus 1, it is 1. So we will get B plus AC. So if we simplify this, we will get this, B plus AC. Now next one, using Boolean algebra, simplify. Now see here, A plus B bar plus C bar, then they whole have complement. We know A plus B bar is equal to A bar into B bar. So I can write this as A plus B bar dot or multiplied by C bar bar. Now C bar bar, it is C, A plus B bar it is A plus B. So here A plus B into C. So this last one is correct. Last one is correct. Now next one, what is the output of the following logic circuit? So here this is a OR gate. this is AND gate. So here we have A, B, so we get here A plus B, and here we will get A, and then product. So Y is equal to A into A plus B. Y is equal to A into A plus B or B plus A. So you can have A into A plus AB. So here A plus AB, because A into A, that is A. So here AB plus A, this is also correct. Actually this is also correct, but we can change this, A B plus A bar, suppose. So AB plus A, AB, sorry, here, and then A 1 plus B we can write. So here A 1 plus B is 1. So what happens here? This last one is correct. So you can simplify this. So this last one is correct. A you will get here. Now what is the output of following logic circuit? So here we have A. So we get here A, here B. Now here we get A bar, here B. Now here we get A into B, because this is AND gate. Here we have NOT gate. So here now A bar into B. So we get here, now this is OR gate. So we get Y is equal to AB plus A bar B. Now you can have A plus A bar into B. And what is A plus A bar? A plus A bar is 1. 1 into B, that is B. So output is B. So this third one is correct. Now what is output of the following logic gate? So here this meaning NOT is there. So what happens here? We have here A, B. Here we have first NAND gate. So A is connected as it is, and for B NOT is applied. And here for second one, here for A NOT is applied and B is connected like this. So here it is A B bar, and here A bar B, and then we have OR gate. So here, sorry, OR gate. So here Y. So here we get AB bar, and here we get A bar B, and then addition of these two. So AB bar plus A bar B. So out of all these, this first one is correct. So the first one is correct. Now next one, the Boolean expression A plus A bar, where A and B are the inputs to a circuit, represent the following logic gate. Now if we take, suppose we take this A and this is B. So we will first take truth table. So we have here A, B, B bar, A B bar, and then A plus A bar B. Sorry, here A bar B. A bar B. So if we take suppose 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Now B bar is here, you will get B bar is 1, B bar is 1, B bar is 0, 0. Then A bar B. So, sorry, we require here A bar, sorry. Here we require A bar. So, I will take again. Something is wrong. So here A, we have here A plus A bar B. So we require A bar. So we will take truth table. A, B, then we will take here A bar B, and then A plus A bar B. So we will take here first 0, 0, A bar is 1, A bar B is 0. Now 1, 0, A bar is 0, 0 into 0 is 0, then 0, 1, A bar is 1, then A bar into B, that is 1, then we have 1, 1, for 1, 1, A bar is 0, now 0 into 1, that is 0, 0 into 1, that is 0. A bar 1, 1 into 0. Now we will take here 0 plus 1, 0 plus 0 will give you 0, because here it is 0. Then 1 plus 0 will give you 1. Then 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 will give you 1. And here 1 plus 0 will give you 1. So output is 0, 1, 1, 1 for this input. And this is truth table for OR gate. OR gate have the same truth table. So this represents OR gate. Now the logic gates in figure first and second are respectively. Now this figure first, it is simply NAND gate. NAND gate. So here we know A, B, A, B, A, B bar. This is for NAND gate. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, you will get 0. This is truth table for NAND gate. Now here this one represents like this: NOT gate here, NOT gate here, and then we have OR gate. OR gate. So suppose we have A here, B here, we get here A bar, B bar, and output Y is A bar plus B bar. Now we can find truth table for this. Truth table for this. So if we take A, B, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now A bar, B bar. So we'll get 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. And then A bar plus B bar will be. Now A bar plus B bar will be what? Here 1 plus 1, 0, 1 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, this is 0. So here this one and this one, they are the same. So what happens, the second gate, it is like NAND gate. So this last one is correct. this last one is correct. So thanks very much. So if you like my lecture, I request you to subscribe channel PST Edu Media, and also press like button. If you want to give some comments, you can give comments also. If you want PDF of this video lecture, means PDF of all these questions, link is given in the description. You fill up that link, means you register, so I will get your email ID and I will send that file, PDF file on email ID. And for SYBSC, register once, you will get all PDFs of all videos. So here register only once. Within 1 or 2 days, I will send you all the PDF files of SYBSC paper first and paper second, whatever I have. So thanks very much again. Thanks.